looking at where things were 6 months ago, seeing where we are now, and imagining where it'll be in 6 months to a year really makes me excited. Launching a node on a blockchain protocol can be a very difficult and time-consuming process, and that gets compounded if you're an organization that deals with multiple different protocols. We provide the infrastructure to launch those nodes quickly, and then we manage them for you. So you don't have to worry about ramping up your engineering team to worry about running multiple nodes on different protocols. It's all kind of handled for you, and then you take an endpoint for that node, and then you do your work that you need to do and focus on what's most important to your business.
So Ubiquity is a versatile, powerful, multi-chain API suite, a simple way to interact with multiple blockchains, native Web3 endpoints through one interface, and thirdly, it's a data product, so access to historical data. Ubiquity can help in a lot of ways, depending on the use case. It helps with quickly scaling from 0, 1, 2 to n number of blockchains. AnyBlock Analytics provides deeper access to data on multiple blockchains. They support different protocols than Ubiquity supports, so bringing the two products together is going to be quite powerful. PayPal's very excited to use Ubiquity for a number of reasons, primarily for some of what Ubiquity can do around transaction lifecycle. It's a natural extension of a single node. You know, the evolution of crypto started with Bitcoin, then Ethereum, then many other chains, and we've seen an explosion. If you're a business looking to participate in crypto, you need access to all of these blockchains. And we saw the opportunity for a product like Ubiquity to make that integration a lot easier. Instead of having to know exactly how every protocol works, you just learn how Ubiquity works. It's really easy, and you have access to the entire world of blockchain. Our infrastructure capabilities are quite advanced. We have 70 points of presence globally. That means we can deploy nodes in 70 places around the world, which is no easy feat. We work with 10 plus cloud and bare metal providers. The reason it's good to be deployed in cloud and bare metal is because different protocols have different needs. So for a protocol like Solana, it's really important to have a network of bare metal providers. On the crypto finance side, there's a lot of opportunity to participate in these proof of stake networks, to earn staking rewards by participating. Running nodes is a way to participate. Blockdaemon makes that super easy. We support over 20 proof of stake protocols. Staking product suite includes delegations, white label validators, staking reports like financial accounting reports, and a kind of a holistic view of a staking portfolio.
You know, we looked internally at our own product suite, and we have a really robust Ubiquity API product. But I think when you combine those two products together with what AnyBlocks has and what Blockdaemon has, it's this really powerful leading product in the market. And we have a team of really talented folks that are now joining the Blockdaemon team, which we're super lucky to have. You know, they fit like a glove. Super excited to sort of start this next chapter with them and grow out this one very important product for us that, you know, we see a lot of customer demand for.
Lloyd's been a really strong VP of engineering in the sense that he's actually somebody who can argue and deal with engineers in a way that yields results, which is actually not a simple task when you are familiar with working with a lot of type of engineers that we like in our company, which are engineers who are very smart, who have experience, who have a preference of a stack and tools they like to use. It takes someone like Lloyd to actually build bridges and get everyone to be on the same level. And so I think of engineers a lot like musicians, actually. They all have different instruments, different types of rhythms they like to apply to. In the end, it all needs to come together. And on the cultural side, that's really what a VP of engineering does. And so someone like Lloyd, he's actually not a project manager. A VP of engineering is not someone who makes sure all the pieces fall together seamlessly. He needs to make sure that all the pieces agree about what the puzzle is going to look like when it gets built.
So Ubiquity is something that a user can access without having any particular knowledge of the technology behind it. And the engineering department are pivotal to our success. The culture within engineering really sets the scene for the rest of the company. And what I do is basically make sure that we've got enough firepower within the teams to be able to not just react, but be proactive and be in a strategical place in the future.
Generally, when you are making a software product that's supposed to be really great, and you want it to be really friendly we have full control over our hardware. That's something that a lot of people can't say. And what it means for us is that we can do things like use the very best drives for like a specific workflow, or like the best processor for a very specific use case. Like for example, Solana needs 16 cores. Most other protocols only need 8. And so we're able to deliver those 16 core CPUs. So we're able to deliver servers with a terabyte of RAM, 20 terabytes of all NVMe storage. We're able to do super crazy things that not many other people are able to do just because of the amount of control we have. And a lot of that also extends to our network. We have what I like to call the Blockdaemon crypto optimized blend. What that is, it is a specially picked combination of network carriers that gives us really good connectivity to a lot of major players. I mean, I think one of our taglines is "we know nodes." And that's really true for us since we run our own custom hardware, our own custom configurations. We do a lot of R&D into what exact parts work the best with certain coins. I would honestly say that if you really like working with computers or just kind of, have a really big interest in this, Blockdaemon is a great place for you. It'll really allow you to kind of grow your knowledge, while at the same time getting the chance to work on, in my opinion, one of the best infrastructure teams in the world.